Welcome to Lucky Paws Casino, the only casino run by dogs. For dogs. Tonight, all kinds of dogs gather for the ultimate gaming night. The slots are rolling. Will this lucky lab hit the jackpot? At the poker table, only the smartest dogs keep their cool. Round and round it goes. Where the luck will land, no one knows. The VIP lounge is where fabulous dogs show off their style.